Hello guys, let's start with our second class. We are going to learn how to use modal verbs in past to give advice, to give a recommendation. Well, you remember what are the modal verbs? The modal verbs are should, could, must, and some others. And we use the modal verbs to talk about recommendations or advices, yes? But the modal verbs in past are different. They use another grammar that I am going to show you. So modals plus additional present perfect. So we use modals plus present perfect to express advice or possibility, but the possibility to a past situation, to a situation, an activity that happened before and doesn't have continuity in the present. For example, we have like a conversation between A and B, and A is the situation. I got sunburned on my vacation, you see? This one. And the advice about the possible past situation is, hey, you should or could have taken your sunscreen. Tú debiste haber llevado your sunscreen, tu bloqueador. You see? So it's an integration between the modal verb should and could and present perfect, have, and the verb in past participle. Also, we can use it to talk about regrets. You know what is regrets? Like arrepentimientos. But regrets to a past situation. Example, I should have saved money instead of spending it in clothes. Yo debía haber ahorrado dinero en vez de gastármelo en ropa. What is the formula? I use the person, of course, the modal verb that can be could or should. Additionally, have for all the people. Here doesn't matter. Aquí no importa si es tercera o no persona. Para todos, we are going to use have. And then the past participle. Remember what is a past participle verb? Son los que se ubican en la última columna y significan hado, ido del verbo. And the complement. For example, we could have eaten Korean food before we ate Chinese instead. Nosotros pudimos haber comido comida coreana antes, pero comimos China. You should have been earlier for that class. Tú debiste haber estado más temprano para esa clase. You see? So, what is the difference between a normal modal verb? That we only use could and should, and that's it. But when we talk about a modal verb in past, this is the structure. Remember, the modal verb could and should, according to our intention, always have, but additionally, the verb in past participle, right? That's why it is an integration between modal verb and present perfect. Thank you so much for having watched this video. See you in the other one.